COVID cases in Michigan are the worst in the nation. The state averaging at least 5,000 new cases every day this week. Let's go to MSNBC's Corey Coffin, who's joining me from Royal Oak, Michigan. Again, I'm so glad to see you with your mask on. What are the health experts saying, Corey, about this recent surge?
Yeah, Alex, unfortunately, epidemiologists say, given the spike and just how vertical that spike is in this state right now, if they cannot get the spike under control fast enough, then the infection will spread faster than they can vaccinate people. They say that would mean a very different timeline for the state in terms of getting everything under control. That means from late summer or early fall to possibly the end of the year. Listen to what one of the doctors that I spoke with earlier today had to say about this whole situation. He heads up the COVID unit at the hospital we're at here.
Cases, in the hospital tripling, and even in the population, we see cases, more than that. So if you look back at the bad surge that we had in the fall, the last big spike of cases, the curve looks awfully similar, and that was a large surge of patients that we had.
It is eerie to say the curve looks awfully familiar given all we know now, Alex. And he said that there are several factors that play here. Obviously, we've been reporting on the record travel and the spring breakers traveling throughout the country. There's also pockets of this state in particular. If we pull up the heat map here, you can see the thumb region of Michigan where people have been more resistant to some of these mask measures and the social distancing. And that is where these rashes of cases are starting to pop up more and more. And then there's this other factor of the UK variant. The doctor told me that it's very fast spreading here in Michigan, and in fact in parts of communities he is seeing that UK variant spread faster than they can get people vaccinated. And that's why Governor Whitmer has requested more vaccinations from the White House to try to ramp up their vaccination effort here in the state. Some 60,000 more will be sent just this week alone, which is a record number.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.